You might be wondering what to get someone who loves to journal. Hi, my name is Charizze. In this video, I'm putting together some journaling supplies that you can add to your thoughtful gift list. I've broken down this list by brand so you can shop in one place, but you can also get them per item if they happen to be available in a stationery store near you or online. The first one is the brand called Stationery Pal. I curated this box that contains $50 worth of basic stationery items that you can use to start journaling. The items here are from the stationery hauls that I've done in the past, so depending on the quantity of items, they are also able to pack them in boxes like this, so it does really feel like opening a gift. The first item here is a pack of Zebra Sarasa gel pens. This is a set of 3 in milk color or like pastel colors. They are also sold per piece and in different color options. You can also get a pack of 5 Zebra Mild Liner highlighters. These are very popular in the journaling community. These come in different colors per set and are also sold individually. Each pen has dual tips, chisel, and fine tips. A large binder clip can hold even super thick pages and prevent them from slipping. The back has a magnet so you can attach it on a magnetic surface. We also have packs of pastel colored washi tapes. These are available in regular and slim ones. You can use it to add creative accents to your pages. I actually like to use these to mask the edges of a page to create clean margins when I like to add some illustrations. Next are a couple more pens. This is another popular brand, the Sakura Pigma Micron and Pigma Graphic pens. They come in different nib sizes and colors too. If you also like to use a pencil, whether it's for sketching or temporarily write something, a Muji mechanical pencil is a nice option. This stamp combines texts and dates. It features a rotating handle to change the pattern. It is ideal for any kind of journaling, giving a vintage style and uniform look for writing the dates. Here's a colorful set of sticky notes that you can use to mark your pages. They also offer ephemeras that you can use to decorate your journal. Then we have this sticky to-do list. They have several of these in their store with different cute designs. Here's another washi tape. I love a basic grid washi tape. It can go with anything. I also included these box stickers and decorative papers. This is very affordable. If your loved one or someone you're gifting loves stickers, these are great items. You can already get a lot of stickers in each box. Another item that I think they might love is this collapsible pencil pouch. It's very handy and very spacious. It fits the pens I showed you earlier. It can even hold some more. We also have these months and date stickers, which are very minimalist. There's a whole year per pack. Of course, there has to be a journal. This is a blank journal in Constellations design. It has a hardcover and is very handy. And lastly is a traveler notebook refill. If someone is already travel journaling, this would be perfect. You might be looking for dot grid notebooks. Don't worry, I got you covered in the next items we will go through. Alright, next is the Leuchtturm 1917 journal with dotted pages. This is a well-known notebook for bullet journaling. They are one of the best notebooks for journaling and note-taking on the market. They have a dotted page layout and they lay flat with a stitch binding. The pages are cream color and are fountain pen friendly. The covers come in various colors, page styles, and sizes. It offers some nice additional features such as page numbers, double bookmarks, sticker labels, and a back pocket that allows for stashing smaller pieces of paper. They are perfect for beginners and advanced users. If you want something comparable to Leuchtturm 1917, you can also go for a Moleskine notebook. There are 5 sizes ranging from pocket to A4, and you can choose between hardcover or softcover, as well as various paper types, lined, grid, or blank, writing or sketch paper. They also come with the elastic band, ribbon bookmark, and a back pocket. They are quite nice while still being affordable. Next is this gift set from Notebook Therapy. The price point is a bit on the higher side, but I've used this brand in the past, so I would recommend it to you. So in this journal set, you're getting a journal, of course. This is in their original size, just a bit smaller than the A5. It has a linen hardcover with gold foil icon on the front and on the spine. It also comes with a little freebie, a paper clip that matches the design or theme of the notebook. You can find it tucked in the back pocket. The pages are in crisp white color and weighs 160 GSM, which is thick and can handle pretty much a lot of markers, except for alcohol markers because they are not designed for this type of paper. They are dot grid and gilded on the edges, and there are also a couple of ribbon bookmarks. There's also a set of 6 beautiful washi tapes in different designs and thickness, plus a wooden stamp. There are 4 journal set designs currently available in their website, but they also have an extensive collection of individual journals and sets that are inspired by Japanese aesthetic that you can choose from. Alright, next is Archer and Olive. This is something similar to the Notebook Therapy in terms of paper quality. It's the main reason I love using a notebook like this, since I like to include paintings and heavy illustrations in my journal. So maybe your special someone likes art and journaling, so this is a great option. Another thing is the luxurious feel from the packaging to the notebook itself. I got this design from their recent fall collection. The packaging is so beautiful, it'll look nice on your bookshelf. I got the coffee and books notebook design. Their notebooks also come with a ribbon bookmark with a charm that is their ampersand logo and a pen holder. This design, however, is sold out immediately, but there are also stunning designs available. Another product you can give as a gift are these acrylograph pens. They are acrylic paint pens which are very opaque, or you can also get their calligraphs, which are dual tip brush pens. They are great for adding color to your pages. If you know someone who is into fountain pens due to their love for writing, Ferris wheel press can be a great present for them. They are a Canadian heritage stationery brand. The products come in exceptional packaging. These honestly look expensive, and you're right. But I want to give you different price ranges in this video, so let's see if this is something you think would be worth it. First, let's look at the notebook. This is their Always Right feather notebook in Lady Rose color. This is a square notebook with soft vegan leather cover. The inside showcases a rattan pattern, which is really beautiful. It has 176 dot grid and 100 GSM white pages, which is fountain pen friendly. Speaking of fountain pens, they also offer them. This is their brush fountain pen with a gold-plated nib. It has a sleek design and feels really premium. I've been using this for a while now and I'm enjoying it so far. They also have other designs to choose from. And then we also have one of their fountain pen inks. They also have a wide selection of inks that feature saturated and rich tones. This does not only make your writing look aesthetically pleasing, but enhances readability on paper. When you buy Ferris wheel press inks, you are not only investing in quality but quantity as well. A bottle like this comes with 38 ml of ink, which is enough to last you for months before you have to purchase a new bottle. Next is the Reverie notebook by My Mellow Days, a French stationery shop. This is another perfect gift for your recipient who loves to paint and journal. Their notebook covers are really pretty with gold foil floral details on a vegan leather material and packed beautifully in a floral gift box. It has the basic features, but what makes this unique is the paper, which is made of 160 acid-free cold-pressed watercolor paper. So it is really designed for paint mediums like watercolor, gouache, or even acrylic. Lastly is for the vintage scrapbooking or junk journaling lovers. This is from the collaboration of PaperWrld and Federica of Fibujo on Instagram. This was sustainably packaged. There are 10 different items included in this box. So let's see what we have here. First is a pack of 220 sheets of vintage decorative papers. Let's not count to check, but it obviously looks a lot already. These are a mix of vintage stickers, tickets, receipts, postcard designs, and so on. There also is a pair of vintage embroidery scissors in gold and floral details. Next is a lovely box of round papers. Some are patterned, some are textured. Then a wooden roll date stamps. It is similar to the stamp that I showed you earlier from Stationery Pal, but this one has a little wooden storage for you to place the stamp upright. Fifth item in this box is another pack of decorative papers and stickers. The papers have some prints of pressed leaves and flowers, and a mini booklet containing botanical designs in translucent papers. This is a butterfly pet washi tape. The material is transparent and the butterfly drawings are very delicate. We got some more sticker sheets. This one says Rub On Transfer Stickers with vintage illustrations. It comes with a wooden stick that you can use to rub the sticker against the surface. Alright, in this pack we have a mix of stickers and papers with botanical designs, as well as a craft envelope and a jute twine. I'm not really sure what the envelope is for, but maybe they're great for pen pals, for example. Last but not the least is a book of craft papers with jute cover, which gives a nice texture. But I find each sheet to be perforated on the top. I think they are folded and grouped together, but they can be torn individually. Alright, that's pretty much it for this box. So, I'm collaborating with PaperWrld in this video to host an international giveaway where one of you will win one of their vintage journaling box. To enter, all you need to do is subscribe to our channels, turn on notifications, and comment below a journaling item you'd love to receive this holiday season. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found something you can give as a present to someone you know who loves to journal. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye everyone!